Hello everyone. Welcome to English Master 2024. So today I came here to before that happy Women's Day to all. So today I came here. So many days we are taken classes in motivational classes in Malayalam. So today I came to take the classes in English. Okay. I want to know that how many of you all know the English. Whatever I'm telling, can you understand? That no, you should comment in the comment box. Okay, so that I can know how many people are know the English or how many people are want to study English, everything. Okay, today I'm going to talk about English only. Okay, so you all required English is very important language. So how many of you know that it is very important language because day to day we are taking means we are speaking the languages becoming much important. Okay, so how means if you want to study in abroad, who many people are planning to go to abroad or outside India, any other countries. Okay, so they all require the language. That is one language only, that is English, because English is worldwide language. So everyone require this language to speak or to communicate with other persons. Okay, because if you are going to any in the world, any other places, because you don't know their languages. Because if you go to Germany, you have to know the language German. Like so many countries, so many different kind of languages, but English is the only common language that do we speak. Okay, do you got it? That we do speak only the language, that is only English. So you have to know that English is so much important for us, because now if you are a student or if you are working woman or if you are a housewife or something, if you are planning to go outside India, this language is must required, because you don't know their language to speak or you cannot understand what those people are telling. So you can one way you can communicate with them only in English. So you should know the English properly. So that what you should do, if you want to know, if you want to learn the English, before I have told in Malayalam so many methods that you can learn in English. First one is to mirror practice, that you can get more confidence in your life. Okay, if you are afraid to speak in English, so you should know that how much you're afraid, so that you can practice in front of the mirror. If you are standing in front of the mirror, you should imagine that in opposite, that is not you, it is a different person. So usually that you can understand it's a different person, then you can communicate. If it is wrong also, you can communicate. So if you're communicating, now that only daily practice. If you get spend time daily for this, okay. If you get half an hour or 1 hour or 5 minutes or 15 minutes also, it's no problem. You should be get practice in mirror practice. That too, your confidence will get increased, so that you can speak English accordingly. Okay, you can speak in English accordingly. That is the one way you can increase your confidence. And you should communicate those who knows, if you are neighbors or if you are cousins, anybody knows English fluently, you can follow them. Okay, and you can try to speak with them in English, because if you have any errors or any clerical mistake, they will manage to help you and get overcome. Okay, so that you can manage to speak English. So you should speak English with those who have no English fluently. Okay, so that you can also improve their language. They are, if you get any new kind of words, like if you are getting new kind of words, means any new words. So if you don't know that meaning also, you can refer to the Google or dictionary, so that you can learn the English accordingly. Okay, then another one is important. You have to read the books, magazines, books, so many stories. You get many web stories or novels, everything. Anything like that, can read it. You have to read it as much as you can. How much you read it, that much you can grow. Okay, so you should read it accordingly. You have to read it. You get the knowledge, you get some ideas, so that you can communicate according to that. Okay, learning and reading is very important. You should do that. Okay, accordingly you have to, then you have to watching TV means English movies, web series, YouTube channels means like English. Those who speak in English, you should watch their channel. so that you are listening daily, you're listening daily, you're following, they are uploading a new videos, you can watch that in English, you can understand their language, how way they are speaking, so you can keep it in mind and next time you can develop like that. That is a better way you can learn English. Okay, these many ways you should uh, focus to learn in English. That is very very important. Then only you can learn English. If you are afraid, you will never learn English. You should not get afraid. You should come out of that. You should think that what people will think, or if I tell few words in English, what they will think. They will think that, oh, she is very over, or she's so this one. Like many people will tell some sort of like that. That no, you should not at all manage. You should hear and you should leave it. We are both ears, right? Left ear, right. We are both ears. So what you should do? They tell you should hear in left and leave it in right. Or if you are hearing from right, hear it in right and leave it in left. That's all. You should not mind at all. If you will be minding, you will never learn English. Got it? You will never learn English. So you should not mind it to any other persons. You should not mind it. You should know how way you speak. You should be communicating. You should watch the series, web series, movies, magazines, everything. Only in English movies only you should watch. So that you will get more, as much more importance, so that you can learn English. So you can know that I should also learn English, because you are losing your career, because you have many plans, many dreams, many goals that you want to achieve. But if you sit inside, if anyone will get you the goal, no. You have to hard work. If you sit simply, you will get the goal. No. You have to hard work as much as you can. Okay. So that what you should do, you should only get up. No one will force you. They can guide you that you should learn English. So many courses are there available for learning in English. So many myths there for learning in English. They can guide you. They can tell you, but they can't spoon feed you each and everything. You should do that, you should do this. But that is your thing. You should learn in English such a way that you should understand English. And one more thing is, Miss English, we have so many skills. Before we have told, we have 5 skills. That is reading skill, listening skill, writing skill, communicating skill, speaking skill. If you are reading, you get much better. You can understand many other topics. You can go many other things. You can know much more better. If you listen, that too, if you are standing in your opposite person. So now I am a person. I am telling you the about English. So if you are listening, only you can understand what I am trying to tell that. You should understand. So many days I've told you in the Malayalam motivation that listening skill is very important in this. Okay, if you want to communicate, simply if you communicate, there is no use. If you want to communicate, if you want to get understand, you should listen. If you want to know what other person is trying to tell you, then only you can give the reply. If you want to give that reply, you should understand what other person is trying to tell. According to that, you should learn English. You should know. You should listen carefully. If you listen carefully, you can understand and then you can give reply to him. Okay. So that listening is very important skill in this. Okay. As soon as reading, writing. If you write also, if you're writing and practicing also, you will get some knowledge. Because if while writing also you can grow, you can get more ideas, knowledges, new words. So there's so many things you can get if you write, if you read, if you read all the books, novels, any stories, short stories, web series, anything, if you read, if you write, you can get much more knowledge. Then if you speak, communicate, as much as you can, you should communicate, or else you will never learn English. If you are watching my video or my classes, if you are attending my classes or you are listening to my classes, you will never learn English. Why? Because you are just listening and you are understanding, but you are not communicating. Until unless if you are not communicating, you will never learn English. So you should keep in mind that you should communicate to everyone. If those who are very fluent in English, you can communicate along with them, so that you can learn much more English. You can practice. You only know that you should record. I told you in before videos, you should keep on record. Day one, how much, many times speaking in English. What was my last month English? Now this month, how much I improved. You can only know your accuracy reports, so that you can identify that how much I am better learning in English. Okay, so you should all make that note. If you want to achieve the goal, you should do all these things. Okay, you should practice, practice, practice. Without practice, there is nothing is possible. You can do nothing else. You should get practice in each and every moment. Okay, because many people want to study, want to get go for a job, or for that many purpose you are going outside India. Okay, or many countries. So without English there is nothing. If you want to attend an interview, you will attend, you will get passed. But if you are working there, we require that English, because we have to, if your client, if one of our client is in America or some other countries, they are trying to speak in English. If we don't know the basic English, or if we don't know to communicate properly, we cannot manage the client. So we'll get the loss from the client. Client will get loss, because in that you should understand that without English there is nothing. If you want to communicate with the client, you should know the English. Then only you will get the job. Okay, you should keep always in that mind. If you pass the interview, there is no use. If you want to work, if you want to get, your planning is there, I want to work, I want to get high salary, means you should know the language. For meeting, for so many purposes, we require the language to communicating client, customer, suppliers, or any other etc. Or any other things, you require English to communicate proper way. Okay, so you all should learn English. Okay, for that you can contact me. Okay, even I am also taking this spoken English class, so you can contact me. Number I'll be mentioning in discussion box, and I'll pin out in comment box. Okay, so that you can follow me on that, and you can contact me. This is my WhatsApp number, so I can guide you how to learn English. You all listen to my tips, and you can definitely, you can become one fluent English speaking. Okay, you can do that. If I can do, you can also do that. Okay, because how far I am speaking English, you can understand. I don't know how many of you can understand my this language. Usually I speak very fast English. Okay, because for you people, you will not understand that if I speak fast. So that today I'm continuing speaking in slowly. Slowly basis I am trying to speak, so that you can understand what I am telling. Okay, so this is the my guidance for you in this Women's Day. Okay, all you take it my guidance as my important, and learn English. Okay, so you see it in the next class. So if you, how many of you are knowing whatever I told, how many of you are understood, you just comment. Okay, how many of you are understood, would you like my classes, everything that you should mention in your comment. And you should like my video, so that I can understand how many of you have understood this, what I'm trying to tell you. How many of you are understood, you should inform me. Okay, by the comment, your like, and your subscribe, all are very important to me. Okay, so do that. So we'll see you on next classes. So that, yeah. Thank you for all. Tata, bye bye. See you.